Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Just a second. I have a fan going. I have a remote, so I can turn that down. And that's a beautiful thing, beautiful thing. Okay, so this, oh, this 64 has been on for a while. It's not getting any better. It puts on a great display. What is this? I am trying to do something here with my one phone. I don't know if Call of Duty will work on it or not. I really don't. But I'm going to try because I like, there we go. Oh, now I like filming on the one phone, but it's so full. And, oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's not so good. And Call of Duty takes up a whole lot of space. I don't think that's very good either. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is try to get the 64 that I stole things out of back into acceptable shape. And how do I do that? Well, there's the VIC chip. What else is missing? Oh, I guess the two 6526 chips are missing. So I will steal them back. I shall. One by one by one. I shall indeed. Funny with this round of heat exhaustion I've been going through, there are times when I get a little confused. For example, I glanced up there for a second and thought, oh, there's Robert Redford riding a motorcycle. But it's not. It's Peter Fonda. Okay. So, I have taken the offending or the replacement chips out. Oh, what have I done here? I need reading glasses here. That's what I need. I do. Let's see here. What is this? Ooh. Okay, don't mix things up. Sorry, I'm just taking a Call of Duty break here. Because I'm trying to see if it will work on this other phone, which would let me have a whole lot more. Oh, stairs. I hate when they do this. Oh, I can do that. Stairs, 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 stairs. Giving me the little picture thing. Gonna give me something else? Buses. Bus, 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 bus. Verify. Probably gonna say I took too long. Log in timeout. Oh, great. Try that again. Sorry about this. I'm not a robot. Got the thing here. Traffic lights. All the ones with traffic lights. I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. Next. bicycles, buses, buses, probably going to say, once again, I took too long. Oh, this is frustrating. If you don't want me to take too long, don't give me so many buses. All right. I'm not a robot. Okay. Buses. What now? Traffic lights. 1, 2. Are we going to go in? Are we going in? Is it actually going to work? Allow! Allow! Alright, it's still doing more downloading. Okay. Oh. I will claim things. No, I don't want to open crates now. I want to claim things. Sorry about this. No, I don't want to try things now. I don't. Okay, you know what I want to do now? I want to shut this off. Okay, so I have good glasses here. Everything is a mess. An absolute terrible, terrible mess here. And I should really, it would be good if your eyesight is failing as you age gracefully, it's a good thing to, as you're putting chips into a board, have glasses at hand. Now, the thing I'm worried about here now is which, okay, that I believe is an original chip from the board that I took out. I think. But now let's just see. And it seemed to be okay. Ugh. Or maybe not. They don't always match these. Yeah, okay, I think. Anyway, so now, with great care, oh, wait a second, I have a magnifying glass here. I can see. I can see. Okay, that's 165.26 chip. Get it lined up. Checking the witness mark. That does not feel right. Push. Double check. Push everything in. Take out the power. Take out the monitor. Move the magnifying glass. Set this down. Take. Oh, okay. Right. Easy rider there. Right now. We need the monitors on. And then I can turn this on. La la, up comes the Commodore 64. This one will be slower, but it will come up. Okay, so we've not hurt anything. We have not. So, we have put this back together. And that is a good thing. Now, I guess next time, I'm just going to run the diagnostics again. Because I know one of these SID chips was good, and one of them was almost good, and I want to know what's what. So, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see you again soon. Back here in the TV room, David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.